This week's quick tip is all about how to layer images inside Google Slides. Now, this also works in Google Drawings, but I just wanted to point out how this works. So if you've ever had students working on a project where they have several different images, text, objects, you can see right here, I've got some things that are hidden and I want to bring them to the front. And so with slides and drawings, you can layer things on top of each other, which is not something that you can do if you're just in Docs. You can only do one image at a time. So I'm just going to click and drag to bring my little puppy over to the center and get those crosshairs. And the next thing I want to do is I want to come up here to arrange and order. And so this is really how you decide where things go. And I want to send this to the back because this is going to be the bottom. And then I can move my words around and layer them exactly where I want them to go. I can resize. I might even want to put this heart behind the word. And if I put that right in the center of the word and then come back here to arrange, and I am just, instead of sending it to the back, which sends it all the way back, I'm just going to send it backward. No, I don't like that. So I'm going to come back here. And of course, you see there's keyboard shortcuts. You can also bring things forward or all the way to the front. I'm just going to bring this to the front and put this little heart in the corner. And that's essentially how you can play with the layers and get things in the order that you want, because the order that you actually added them may not be correct. So if you've ever had that issue, or if you're working with students in projects inside slides, the other thing is you can also group your objects together. So if I wanted to make sure that all three of these objects stayed together, I hold the Shift key down and select all three. So you can see there's a blue square, and a blue square, so that I can see all three are selected at the same time, and go to arrange, and then I can group them. And now I can actually keep these together, keep their ratio, and move them together as one instead of losing where I want everything to go. I hope you like this. I know this was a simplistic example, but as you begin to create in Google Slides, whether that's for you and for your lessons, or if you have students creating in slides, this is a great tip to show them how to use the arrange tool and the group tool. And this will help you play with images and create some really creative things inside Google Slides. If you like this tip, click that thumbs up and subscribe, and you will get notified when new tips come out each week. Bye, y'all.